This tip is for my PowerPoint lovers that speak multiple language. So I have a PowerPoint right here in English, and I want to translate it to another language. So I will click on the 3 stars right here, or 2 stars, and flying stars or shooting stars we call them. And I click here. You need a paid M365 Copilot license for this to work. And I will pick translate this presentation. By the way, I'm in PowerPoint Online. I'm not sure where this feature has been in PowerPoint Desktop. It's probably going to get here soon as of recording this video. So I click here on translate this presentation. I will have the pane that opens on the right. And I will select a language for translation. In my case, I will select French and I will click on translate. And it's going to create a new file, keeping my animation, my font, my, everything. All of my containers in PowerPoint will stay there versus if you go to ChatGPT or m365copilot.com and you put a PowerPoint in and you ask for a translation, it's going to mess everything up, right? So you click here, it built the French version, and you will see this exercise page right here. See? It's all in French and it saves you a lot of time. I just used it a few days ago because I was filming some courses that I already filmed in English and I wanted everything in French. So here we are, a little, oh my God, for this, please. Oh my God. Here we go. To the last tip. The Copilot tip you just saw is one of the 7 tips that I'm showing in my video. 7 Copilot tips that will make you say, oh my God. It's right here. You know what to do next.